The trucks you thought you knew? Forget them. What if I told you some trucks today can do things you wouldn't believe, like driving underwater, changing their entire shape, or operating without a driver? This isn't the future. It's now. The machines you're about to hear about are smarter, tougher, and more adaptable than anything you've seen on the road before. This is Technivora, and these are genius truck inventions that are operating on a whole different level. Modular body trucks, one frame, endless forms. Imagine owning one truck that can do the job of 10. Modular trucks are built with a single, powerful chassis that can attach different bodies in minutes, cranes, tankers, cargo beds, even command units. They use hydraulic locks, smart alignment, and plug-and-play systems to make the swap fast and seamless. It's revolutionizing construction, military logistics, and emergency response, offering maximum utility, less downtime, and fewer vehicles needed. Why buy more when one truck can become anything? Smart tire inflation, adapt to any terrain. Automatically, every surface needs a different tire pressure, and now trucks can adjust it on the fly. Central tire inflation systems let the driver control tire psi in real time from inside the cabin. Heading off-road? The system lowers pressure for grip. Back on the highway? It raises it for fuel efficiency. No stopping. No manual work. Just a truck that adapts to the ground beneath it and protects its tires in the process. Rotating cabins, where direction is just a choice. Backing up a huge truck has always been a pain. But what if the cabin could rotate independently from the truck body? With 360-degree rotating cabs, drivers can face any direction without turning the vehicle. Perfect for tight construction zones, crowded sites, or narrow roads. It's more than just convenient. It's a massive leap in control, speed, and safety. Self-leveling suspension, a balance without effort. When you're carrying heavy cargo over rough terrain, staying level isn't optional, it's critical. Self-leveling suspension constantly reads the road, adjusting each wheel individually to keep the truck balanced. Less stress on the frame, less wear on the load, more comfort for the driver. Some systems even learn frequent routes and adapt before hitting bumps or slopes. It's active intelligence under every wheel. Sliding cab trucks, more bed, same footprint. Longer beds usually mean longer trucks, but sliding cab designs change that rule. These systems let the cabin slide forward on rails, opening up more space in the back without extending the truck's total length. Great for urban deliveries, tight turns, and warehouses where space is limited. It's compact, clever, and incredibly useful in real-world logistics. Solar panel trailers, clean energy that follows the sun. Solar panels aren't just for rooftops anymore. Some modern trailers now include solar surfaces that power refrigeration units, tracking systems, lighting, and more. This reduces the load on the truck engine, saves fuel, and cuts emissions drastically. And when parked, these trailers can still run systems without idling. It's a clean, silent revolution in long-haul transport. Transparent trailer tech. No more blind spots. Pulling a full trailer used to mean guessing what's behind you. But with transparent trailer tech, high-definition cameras and real-time screens give drivers a live, invisible view through the cargo. See everything: vehicles, cyclists, obstacles, like the trailer isn't even there. It's safer, smarter, and perfect for reducing rear-end accidents and driver fatigue. Robotic arm dump beds. Precision unloading. Dump trucks used to just tip and pour. Now, robotic arms let operators place material exactly where it's needed. No waste, no overshoot. From construction gravel to delicate soil layers, these systems offer surgical precision. Preset patterns, programmable dumps, and remote control make the process fast and clean. It's not dumping anymore. It's delivering. Exactly right. Amphibious trucks land ends, but they don't. When roads vanish into water, most vehicles stop. But amphibious trucks keep going. With sealed hulls, water propulsion systems, and waterproof electronics, They can drive into rivers, lakes, or floods like it's nothing. Used in military, disaster relief, and remote operations, these hybrids blur the line between boat and truck. When others turn back, these go forward. Remote-controlled mega trucks. No driver, no limits. In dangerous areas like mines or disaster zones, sending in a person can be risky. That's why some of the largest trucks today are remote-controlled or even fully autonomous. With sensors, GPS, and real-time feedback, they can be guided from miles away or follow programmed routes with no human inside. They work non-stop, never tire, and don't hesitate. In extreme conditions, they're the ultimate heavy-duty solution. From transforming frames to floating giants, today's trucks are becoming something entirely new. They don't just drive, they adapt, respond, and evolve with the task at hand. These are not experiments. They're real machines already out in the world, changing how industries work. And the most incredible part? This is just the beginning. If you're into intelligent machines, game-changing ideas, and the future of transport, you're in the right place. This is Technivora. Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp, and keep watching the future unfold.